Good afternoon. My name is Mahatav Alam and my registration number is UR1563557. Today I'm going to explain the second experiment of WebTech, that is a website using HTML5, and we have to use elements and media elements, that is for inserting image and video etc. And the mockup page of the web page should look like this. First page, and second page should look, it is a like form element, like we have to submit something. Now I'm going to show you the code. After that I'm going to show you the web page. First, already I told you in experiment that it is HTML tag. I doctor will used to recognize which type of HTML that is either HTML5 or 5 XHTML. Now here I use another meta tag, that is link rel. It is used to insert the style sheet inside a web page. The style sheet either can be internal or external. Internal style sheet we can create inside the web page using a style tag. Otherwise you can use external web page using this tag. After that, here in header I gave an image, that is in header of the web page, that I use a image tag for inserting image. Here you can see the mockup page, that is header. I have to give something and one image and a company name. So I use a image to insert that image, and h1 in h1 I gave that name. I use center tag to put that image and name in center. After that I use HR horizontal line for HR horizontal line. After that I use a nav tag for navigation bar menu. Inside a navigation bar I created a table, that is for creating a navigation. We almost use table. Inside a table we use three things, that is cloud, types and AWS. After that I use in the horizontal line, that is for color black size 4. Inside after that after closing the navigation tag, after I created another table for inserting, because inside a page I want to create put two paragraphs in same position. So I created a table with 50%. Inside 50% I want to put another paragraph, and inside another 50% I want to put another paragraph. And I use a audio tag for inserting audio data, and the source tag for giving the source of that audio file. And whenever we use either audio or video, we have to give the type. It is audio type. It is that what type of audio it is. It is audio MP/JE, and for video same things apply. It is video /MP4. After that I use another table for creating three blocks. After that I have created another table with 100%. Inside it I created three rows. First row is 20%, second is 40%, and third one is 40%, for creating different types of. Now I'll move to the second page. First I'll show you the first page. Okay, here you can see the first page. Is I gave the first page, that is top of the web page with the image with a name, that is I gave the image, and name is cloud computing. And after that I created two table, navigation bar. In navigation bar using table I created these three things: cloud, types and AWS. I already show you. After that I created another table. In another table I gave which 50%. I use audio tag for inserting audio, and I use video tag for inserting video. After that I created another table with 20%, 40% and 40%. Now I will explain the second page, that is form.html. Here inside I created another page, that is another HTML page, that is form. and I add it when I'll show you first. When I give something, when I click the submit button, it will redirect to another page. And how you can do that, like here you can see how you can do this. When I click submit button here, when I give form action, here you can see that whenever I click that submit button, it will take me to this page, because form action is form.html, that is the name of this HTML page. In HTML page I created this form. You can see that submit your resume, like personal details, address. I created a navigation bar, and something like that. I created a table with a checkbox and a drop down menu, and I created a choose file. You can choose any file, any type of file, and I will tell you the code here for creating that table. Creating that page, I use label tag for input type text for inserting any data. In this thing we use the tag input type text. For password, use input type password. Different types are there. And after that, for creating option, that is this types of option. This types of drop down menu, we use options, and that option we want to give many number of options as you want. Now here I created another form which input type text, and here it is. So the name of the board, that is, you can see that. It will mix of option, and that some same things are there. And for I'll show you how to choose file. I'll show you here. Here another. Here you can see that for input type file, for choosing any file from your personal computer, otherwise from anywhere. And you can here see that any type of file. Thank you.